SUBSIZ returns the number of members in a dimension set. The syntax for this function requires two arguments. The first is the TM1 server and dimension name separated by a colon. The second argument is the set from the dimension. If the value from the set's arguments is an empty string, the value is considered subset all. In this demo from the AdventureWorks TM1 server, I'm going to return the set leaves from the department dimension. This function is only for Excel. I'm going to open the leaves set from the department's dimension so you can see the number of members in this set where there are 6 members. Next, the function SUBSIZ will be used to return the number of members. First is the server, then the dimension as the first argument. The last argument is the set. As expected, the SUBSIZ function has returned 6 members.